What's good everybody, is your boy David again and I'm back with another video. So meron tayong bagong ire-react na grupo. I assume they're a P-pop girl group na naman. So I don't know if I came across this group before, but their name is kind of familiar. Siguro nababasa ko sila sa mga sa Facebook, sa kung sa mga social media na merong usaping mga girl group. Okay, so pinili ko tong video na to, it's because lumabas siya sa recommended videos ko, and also it's very interesting kasi ito ay Kilometro. So I assume na ito yung kanta ni Miss Sarah Geronimo. Na gagawin ko ang lahat upang sa huli ay tayo. Ganon yun, di ba? So this is just a performance video. So this is not live, I suppose. So mukhang studio to eh. But anyway, let's react to it kasi I'm curious about the group, kung ano ba yung mai-offer nilang bago siguro, or something that unique, no, sa ibang girl group. So this is Raya. If bago kayo dito, don't forget to subscribe. You can also follow me on my Facebook, on TikTok, and on Instagram. Okay? So with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. Okay, so under Viva pala sila. Okay. Raya, Kawing at Studio. Okay, so first na napansin ko, no, yung typical na snap sound or effects, no, yun. And yung formation na parang may mga kamay, no, yung mga successive na mga ganon-ganon. Succession pala. So anyway, it's very typical, but the thing that is siguro yung version nila is more of like the EDM, very pop-ish na electro-driven yung or disco-driven as well yung genre, yung tempo. So kasi yung original kasi it's more of like the pop rock, no, medyo mabigat. Ganon. So sa kanila parang they turned it into a very pop-ish kind of music. Well, P-pop naman talaga. Akala ko si Janela. Pero to be honest, ang ganda nung ang ganda nung bass drop nung sa sa chorus part na parang syncopated, no? Parang may huli na timing. I love that. Very very P-pop talaga. And may synthesizer na parang nakakakiliti, no, na very girly, very girl group talaga yung yung tunog. Kilometro la. Itong isa parang si Zainab. Ito siya, yung nasa right side. Para siyang si Zainab. Ooh. Dance break. Let's go. Gagawin ko nga. Oh, Sophia, Anna, Aviona, Jemima, Cash, Rona, Abel, Priscilla, Ash. Oh, ito yung parang maloy na parang Janela Salvador. Woo! All right. Okay. So, okay. Wait lang. Okay, dito tayo mag-post. Anyway, they're very young, obviously. Very young and raw. Okay, when I say raw, they still have, you know, a room for improvement. I know meron naman silang potential, they can dance. And guys, please recommend me a video of them na kumakanta ng live, no. I want to hear them sing live kasi diyan tayo mas babase kung meron ba talagang ibubuga sa vocals. But so far, the quality of their tones sa vocals okay naman, no. Bagay naman talaga sa P-pop. But ngayon kasi you know, studio recording can be really enhanced. So it's better for me, no? Kasi first time ko. So it would be better if marinig natin sila ng live. And excuse me. Anyway, ang gusto ko din dito sa kanila is although P-pop, 'di ba pagka P-pop, K-pop, J-pop ganon, minsan kapag girl group, ewan ko lang kung ako lang ba, but maraming mga girl group na magkakamukha, no? Halos magkakamukha. Pero sa kanila very diverse yung beauty. And also nakikita ko based lang sa kanilang physical attribute that they also have different, you know, persona. Parang hindi sila yung typical na girl group na pag nakita mo parang lahat manika, no? Parang ganun same lang ng persona, same lang ng character, but sa kanila I can sense a different, you know, very diverse character, which I think for me is really good as a group, no? Dapat talaga unison kayo as a group, but obvious din yung uniqueness ng bawat isa. So I'm getting that vibe out from them. So I think that's it, and I would definitely watch them again, and tingnan natin kung ano pa yung may papakita nila, no? Especially sa live. So if you guys enjoy that, so I'm just being as honest as possible. And if bago kayo dito, okay, wag na kayo magtaka kasi talagang sinasabi ko yung gusto kong sabihin dito, no? Wala tayong sugar coating dito sa channel na to. I'm not here to like please everybody na dapat lahat positive yung sasabihin ko. So we are here to react and to somehow, you know, give a constructive, positive criticism para naman palang critic tayo ng konti, no? Especially ito mga baguhan pa lang sa industriya. Anyway, that's it, and hope you guys enjoy the one. Peace out, everybody. Much love, stay safe, and God bless you all. Peace.